Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Toyota RAV4. Stock number is A6957. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. Looking at the tread on the Continental tires. Inside, cloth interior. The seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, and this RAV4 is all-wheel drive, so you won't be sliding all over the road on those wintry Wisconsin days. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Toyota on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.